What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, AA18s. This is AA18. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I'm going to shut this door. This is so noisy. And I hate it so much. So, I'm doing a makeup tutorial. So as you can see, I just put my eyes in my foundation. And then I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So I'm going to take this palette. This is from Academy of Color Professionals. So I'm going to take, this shade right here. And then I'm going to use this color for my transition shade. Actually, not the gold one. This darker shade. Right here for my transition shade. So I'm going to take this shade first. And then I'm going to pat that all over the lid to set my foundation into place. Don't know why I'm tapping out the excess. And then I'm going to take a darker shade, which is this shade right here. So now I'm going to be taking this shade, tap off the excess, and then I'm going to, you see it kind of work right into my crease. And repeat it. Jeez, why does my hair keep getting into my face? I hate it so much. And that is how I basically put my eyes. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more makeup tutorials, let me know in the comment section. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.